Welcome back. Tarun Tejpal has contended that prosecution has failed to supply a clone copy of some electronic items related with the journalist rape case. The defense side was scheduled to present his arguments on framing of charges on Tuesday, but Tejpal's counsel contended that without receiving all the documents related with the case, they can't present their arguments. Prosecution contends that victim's SIM card and her mobile phone cannot be cloned.
During the hearing before Mapsa Sessions Court on Tuesday, counsel for Tarun Tejpal contended that prosecution has not fully complied with the court's order to supply him all the case-related documents. Defense counsel had categorically demanded clone copy of victim girl's SIM card, mobile phone and the computer. Prosecution has submitted a report of Central Forensic Science Laboratory, Hyderabad, stating that it is technically not possible to clone copy of SIM card and mobile phone. Court later directed both the defense and prosecution side to file their written replies. On defense side's request, the court adjourned the hearing for 9th March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Hospicio at Madgaon is back in news for its sewage water discharge on road. The sewage water is discharged directly on road. Commuters, residents and even patients in Madgaon face the hazard and fear epidemics. Health department claims they were not aware about it. Till then, mosquitoes have chosen it as their breeding ground. Have a look. The sewage water of Hospicio at Madgaon is discharged directly on the road. People are forced to walk crossing the sewage. Some try their best to escape from entering sewage with adventurous walk. School children too have no other option but to cross this sewage. Locals claim that they are facing this problem since last 3 months. They want authorities to act.
This sewage has been making a nuisance to the citizens of Margaon for the last 3 months. During the Diwali period, it took from Diwali right up till the New Year, it was not rectified. Now within a span of 1 month, it has again been started again. So we would request the authorities concerned, health, PWD, Hospicio, to take cue on this and just do the job fast.
The health officer claims to be unaware.
ना म्हजे नदरेक कोणें हाडिल्लें ना कळ्ळें न्ही म्हाका कोणें सांगिल्लें ना हांव फर्स्ट टायम आतां तुजे कडल्यान म्हाका कळटा तशें जर आसत न्ही जाल्यार हांव म्हज्या सॅनिटरी इन्स्पेक्टराक तुजो धाडून थंय इन्स्पेक्शन करपा लायला कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी आसा न्ही सिवेरेज म्हणटकच ते सिवेरेज डिपार्टमेंटाक सांगचें पडटलें सो तांचे नदरेक हाडटा ते आमी इमिजिएट इन्स्पेक्शन करतले.
Now locals want Hospicio to come out with permanent remedy. Savio Dias for Prudent. West Indies versus Zimbabwe Tuesday encounter in Cricket World Cup was a day of record breaks. Chris Gayle slammed double century and he is now the first batsman to do it in the World Cup history. Sachin, Sewage and Rohit Sharma have also slammed double centuries in past. Gayle is the first West Indian and the highest ever double ton scorer in the World Cup till now. Gayle and Samuel's 372 runs partnership has broke Sachin David's 331 runs record.
Goes down the ground. This is it's hit that. Oh, that's a nice sound off the bat. It's another one to add to the collection from well. That's a nice sound off the bat. Hit that well. That's a nice sound. It's another one to add to the collection from Chris Gayle. Oh, that's gone. That's going to be caught somewhere top. Well, he's going to be one away now after this. Double 100 for Christopher Henry Gayle.
Gary Kirsten's 188 surpassed today. 215.
Going forward, Romeo Fernandes will become the first Indian to play for a top foreign club after Dempo Sports club secured a loan transfer with Brazilian club Athletico Paranaense. The speedy winger proved his mettle with stunning performance in the ISL for FC Goa under Zico's guidance.
One of our young boys, Romeo Fernandes, is all set to join on a loan basis to Athletico Paranaense, one of the very good clubs in Brazil. And I would not forget Armand's contribution to spotting Romeo. And today, of course, due to the efforts of Arthur Papas and also the encouragement provided by Zico, I think Romeo has got much more experience today. We don't get enough gate money, we don't get enough sponsorships. So one of the models that I try to work, and this is a new effort in that respect, is if we can produce homegrown talent and then sell it to the world. One is when you produce your homegrown talent, you reduce your own costs to the team. And secondly is when you trade them off, apart from he getting a very good increase in his own benefits, the club also stands to gain.
I'm happy that I have been selected to play for Brazilian club. This dreams come true for me, and I'm thankful to my club Dempo. I'm sure that this door open for Indians, other Indian players to play abroad.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.